Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the spark plugs on a Renault Kangoo 1.6 16V. You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Switch off the power to the coil. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Using a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket. Unscrew the screw holding the coil. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then extract the coil by pulling it upwards by hand. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hoover bit to properly clean around the spark plugs.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. Remove the spark plug. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put it back in place by inserting it using the tool, which will gently guide it to the screw support. Screw in the spark plug using the socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can then screw the bolt that holds the coil back in with a socket wrench. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.